Your favorite professor. Now we'll have a small rapid fire round with you. Okay? Your favorite professor. Now you are in second semester already, right? Your favorite teacher of second semester.
Preeti Agrawal.
Professor Preeti Agrawal. What does she teaches you? Financial management. From your first semester, what was that one subject which you did not like attending the classes for?
Operations management.
Operations management.
Don't understand that.
Okay, the quantitative theory, linear programming, all those things, but that's the most important part, by the way. Okay, now how's the food at the mess? An honest opinion.
Too good, I'll say. I have been in hostel, and in any hostel, there's not like there's so many variety over here. I really, if I don't like this thing, I'll eat that. But here, honestly, I like everything.
So, on a scale of 1 to 5, if you have to give marks for the mess food as a student already, how many marks will you give?
4.5.
4.5. Friends, I'll be very honest with you. I have never heard a student so happy with the mess food, because I myself, when I was pursuing my MBA 25 years ago, the only challenge was food. But yes, I am very helpful and I am very grateful also that we have someone who is actually telling us all today that look guys, you don't have to worry about food, because there is so much of variety to offer that if you don't like one thing, you have something or the other. Am I right? Okay. Does ragging takes place in Jindal?
Not at all.
Not at all. You said it very boldly, not at all. Okay, great. Tell me something about your future aspiration. You said you want to do MBA in HR, right? That is clear. But apart from that, anything which you feel the first semester and the second semester has added in your life? What has it brought inside you?
Okay, so like I have really started networking a lot.
Okay.
And I know how to communicate in a better way, and also like I'm doing human resource, so I'm learning more skills like practical knowledge, and there's like case study discussion, and here professor over here, they are industrial experts, so they really take cases from around the world which is going on currently. So
Okay, so the classes are engaging, right? It is not always theory. What do you miss most when you came over here from your home?
So like I don't miss a lot things, but yeah, my home food, I really miss food from my mom's hand.
Okay, great. Everybody misses that, because you know the real value and the taste we all see when we are away from it. Okay, so I think we have covered all the major parts that you yourself mentioned, that you always wanted to go into the field of HR, and you have already started building on it because you did your first internship over there. A last closing message, would you like to share anything to our audience about certain do's and don'ts from if anybody is planning to come to JGU?
So like I would say do's will be aware of what you are doing. Like you are an adult now, so you need to understand what's wrong and what's right, so you need to go hand in hand. Like you should know that it's important to attend lectures, because that is all that will reflect your future, and also you need to do fun at the same time.
What are the certain don'ts?
Certain don'ts, like don't bunk classes, and don't misbehave with other people. Like be gentle to everyone.
Absolutely. You know, I keep on telling friends, we need to be very gentle, we need to be very disciplined, we need to be very, empathetic, because the students in this campus, they come from more than 27, 28 different states of India. And therefore, we all should be happily accepting each and every one because they all come from different cultures, their language is different, and we should not generalize anything. These are the 4 years of, let's say, undergraduation, or 2 years of MBA, which are the golden period of our life. So enjoy to the full, be disciplined towards your dreams, and I think rest everything will follow. Am I right? So all the best, Trisha. It was pleasure to have you today, and I sincerely believe watching this podcast, our friends, students who are aspiring to make their journey with JGU will get to know more about it. Okay, if in case any of our students in future want to connect with you, I think you would already be on LinkedIn by now. Would you tell them your LinkedIn address, if you with what they can search for you?
It's Trisha Saraf, TRISHA SARAF.
Friends, you can search with her name. It's very simple, Trisha Saraf, and I think you can easily connect with her if you are aspiring to come to Jindal for either an MBA program or any other course. Connecting with seniors, connecting with alumni is the right way you can solve your doubts. Thank you. Keep watching and keep aspiring for the next podcasts, which are very soon to be made live by us. You need to engage with the students, the professors, plan a visit to the campus. It's a very beautiful place to be. If you have never been to the campus beforehand, fix up an appointment with Trisha, spend 5-10 minutes with her so that you can take more inputs in person. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.